During a joining program at Sindukpathar ADC Village under the Purba, Maharipur, Burutali TTAADC Constituency, 126 voters from 27 families officially joined the TIPRA Motha party. The newcomers were formally welcomed by MLA Pathanlal Jamatia, MDC Debajit Tripura and other party leaders.
Long live, long live, long live.
The TIPRA Motha party has further strengthened its organizational base following a major defection from opposition ranks. During a formal joining program, 126 voters from 27 families defected from the CPIM and BJP to officially align themselves with TIPRA Motha. The new members were formally welcomed into the fold by MLA Pathanlal Jamatia, MDC Debajit Tripura and other senior party leaders. Speaking to the media, MLA Pathanlal Jamatia stated that the ongoing joining programs aim to consolidate and strengthen the influence of Bubagra. He emphasized that expanding the party's footprint in village areas is crucial for reinforcing its organizational power.
আজকের আমাদের এই সিন্ধুপাথর এডিসি ভিলেজের আন্ডারে আজকের যোগদান সবাই বিভিন্ন পার্টি থেকে প্রায় 27 ফ্যামিলির 126 ভোটার আমাদের টিপ্রা মথায় আজকে যোগদান দিয়েছে।
কোন পার্টি থেকে জয়েন করেছে?
CPM এবং BJP।
Addressing the media, the newly joined members stated that their defection was driven by a total lack of support and assistance from the previous political parties, prompting them to seek a more reliable alternative. Pure report, Chini Khorang.